Hello everyone, we are at the end of BruCON, the 11th edition. For us it was a big success. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. And we have some announcements to make. There were a few competitions going on at the conference. We had several capture the flags, and well, some guys did some amazing work. So they deserve to get something for this.
So first of all, I'd like to thank the guys from Belgian Security for the CTF. I heard it was very hard because it took a long time before people actually had points, so that's great. I also want to congratulate the teams that won, so if these 3 teams can come forward. Is anybody still here from these teams? Nobody?
Yes.
Yeah, there's one.
You're the first?
Okay, nice. So, we have some prizes for our... Oh, Tasteless is there, yeah.
Come on, Brian.
Faster. BITK, anybody? Don't be shy. Okay, and now, so for our CTF, so the BruCON CTF done by Beretta, we have some cool prizes in store for you. So, we'll start with Virtual Hacking Labs. They give all the third places a course voucher, so that's great. We have Pentester Lab, also some nice prizes, 6 months Pro Lab, 3 months Pro Lab, and 1 month. We have Hack the Box with their Rasta Lab or offshore, so you can make a choice. And of course, the first prize also gets his entrance ticket for BruCON for next year. So give them a round of applause. So we also had the HoWest Factile CTF, hosted by HoWest, and the 3 winners can come up here.
Which team are you from? Third place. Are you from?
So BruCON also sponsored some prizes for the CTF. We have a nice BruCON sweater for the first place.
Thank you.
We have chocolates for the, is this second place? Third place. Third place, and then a nice BruCON water bottle for the second place.
We have a few stats for you guys. So far, over the internet, well, 171 gigs downloaded, quite some devices connected. We had 504 badges connecting to the Wi-Fi as well. The Wall of Sheep connected 28K pictures, a few executables, quite some DNS requests, you guys were quite busy. We have 52 websites that were blocked. We saw Windows 0 Day passing by, and all of this was managed by our 4 network gurus. Thanks for that one. So there were 3 capture the flags, 17 talks, 13 workshops, 540 attendees, 51 speakers and trainers, and 41 crew and volunteers. Without all of them, it wouldn't be possible. Please give a round of applause for our volunteers. Thank you. So this is finally the end of BruCON. Hope you all enjoyed it. I hope to see you next year. We were supported by all of these nice companies. That's it for this year. Enjoy, guys!